vegetarian is so easy.
Today's recipe is vegetarian fish omelette. The inspiration for this recipe comes from the banana Indian pancakes with fillings, so it inspired me to replace the bananas with vegetarian fish pancakes and the pancake with eggs to create this recipe. Let's use simple ingredients to make an amazing vegetarian fish omelette that even meat eaters will scramble to eat. Vegetarian fish is typically made from soy products like tofu skin, or yubo, or konjac, mimicking the texture of real fish, while some versions use mushroom stems or eggplant to recreate the tender, flaky consistency through seasoning and cooking techniques. With savory seasonings and a delicate texture, vegetarian fish expertly captures the umami richness of seafood while offering a uniquely plant-based twist. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredient: eggs, vegan fish. Ready-made vegan fish can be purchased in grocery stores. It is convenient to cut out needed portion and freeze the remaining for next meal. I will cut the vegan fish according to meal plan on the day I bought it once I reach home because it is already thawed and can be cut easily. Then I can easily take out the needed portion for my next meal. Cubes vegan fish and set aside. The most classic way to eat vegetarian fish is to pan fry it. Use a little oil to fry the surface until it is golden and crispy, while the inside is still tender and juicy. Top it with teriyaki sauce, and it goes really well with rice. Steamed vegetarian fish is also very flavorful. It is steamed with mushrooms, bamboo shoots, and vegetarian broth. The umami flavor penetrates layer by layer, and the texture is as smooth and tender as real fish. If you like strong flavors, you can make sweet and sour vegetarian fish. Coat it with flour and fry it, then pour sweet and sour sauce on it, or add bean paste to make spicy boiled fish, which is appetizing and satisfying. There are many variations of vegetarian fish recipe. Welcome to visit my channel for different vegan fish recipes, yeah. Crack eggs into bowl and seasoning to taste. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon mushroom powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, few drops of cooking oil.
Let's fried egg.
Add vegan fish cubes and stir fry until crispy and turn golden brown. The fried vegetarian fish has a golden and crispy skin, and it makes a crunchy sound when you bite it, and it tastes like night market barbecue. The low-oil version made in an air fryer retains the fragrance of soy products, and it becomes more fragrant the more you chew it. Add egg liquid. Do not stir and let it form. After the bottom is formed, slice it and flip the egg. You can also place on plate, then turn it upside down and put it back into the wok to keep the egg intact. The perfect omelet cooks in 2 to 3 minutes over medium-low heat, edges set, but center stays creamy. For a fluffy French-style fold, gently agitate the eggs in the first minute, then let it set undisturbed. Finish with a quick 10-second high-heat blast for a golden underside without rubberiness. Key, low and slow for tenderness, high and fast for color. Turmeric scrambled eggs offer a fragrant golden hue with warm, earthy notes and a subtle peppery kick. Just a pinch of salt or sweet chili sauce transforms humble eggs into an exotic delight. Turmeric eggs deliver a double boost. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory antioxidants pair with egg protein to enhance immunity and nutrient absorption. Pro tip to add black pepper to increase bioavailability by 300%. Turmeric vegan fish omelette is ready to be served. The ginger roll in fried eggs with turmeric powder can stimulate the secretion of digestive juices, and the golden aroma awakens appetite. It is also low in calories and fat, making it more suitable for fitness people than ordinary scrambled eggs. This recipe is so delicious that it's hard to tell the difference between real and fake. The vegetarian fish omelette uses crispy bean curd to imitate the texture of fish skin, and the tender vegetarian egg replaces the fish meat. It is paired with a seafood sauce made with seaweed powder, and the taste is as good as real fish dishes. Double protein attack. The golden combination of soy protein plus plant eggs is not only low in cholesterol, but also contains 18 grams of protein per 100 grams. The aroma emitted when it is slightly charred can make meat eaters grab chopsticks. Guilt-free eating method. Zero trans fat, less than rich frying method. Even the amount of wall is 1/3 less than real fish omelette. The crispy skin hides the juicy vegetarian fish wool, which is full of satisfaction without worrying about getting fat. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. Let's master vegetarian cooking together where vibrant flavors meet mindful eating. By the way, the chopped vegetarian fish cubes can also be deep fried into crispy vegetarian fish cubes like I did. The skin of the air-fried vegetarian fish is as crispy as tempura. Break it into pieces and sprinkle it on the hot porridge. Add a few drops of steamed fish soy sauce, and it will instantly become a vegetarian deluxe version of Cantonese boat porridge. The sound of crunch and the aroma of rice are a perfect match. Look, it's really crispy, and it feels like eating salted fish. These crispy vegetarian fish cubes are perfect when sprinkled on porridge. Why not give it a try? There is another hidden way to eat crispy vegetarian fish. That is to crush it into a sushi roll filling, imitating the taste of Japanese fried eel. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough, for ovo-vegetarian. Do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.